I think we're ready to fire this guy up. A few little loose ends, I'll have to do some tidying up and finish some stuff, but for now, I've already tested it. It's got fuel pressure, no leaks, all that good fun stuff. So I'm going to push it slightly out and see if we can't get her to fire up. So it should be exciting. And that funnel right there is for my transmission oil. Had a little bit of a transmission problem. I pulled the fitting down in the dipstick tube fitting out. I didn't know that when I set the car in the jet or on the floor, it leaked probably 6 quarts of tranny fluid in the floor. So didn't know that, didn't notice it until the next day. So had to mess with that and had to put some more trans fluid in it, but I don't know if it's enough or not and all that good stuff until she runs for a little while. So and if the camera works really shaky, I apologize ahead of time. But I guess let's get to it. Here goes nothing. quick, simple little test drive I did. Worked out okay, I suppose. She still has that same typical problem she's had for a long time, where until it's completely warmed up, it'll die when you put it in drive and put it in reverse, or if you brake too hard or anything like that. So that's the reason it died a few times. But other than that, it sounds like a good engine. I hear no ticking, no nothing. It's pretty smooth. It's got good throttle response, and looks like it's going to be a good rig. So some things I'll change and have to do when I got time and get moving is I'll have to attach this. I'd like to get better hardware. I got to fix this radiator hose some. So there's definitely some things I'll have to do. I'd like to tidy up the wiring and some of this stuff a little bit better. So there's still things I got to get done, but the valve covers worked out pretty good. Didn't have any issues with those. And I didn't check my tranny fluid because I kind of forgot, but so far so good. Not leaking any oil or anything on the floor, and she's alive, so that's all that matters. And I gotta work on my tail light. Had to do some stuff on the tail light a little bit earlier this year, but I gotta get that back in there. So, but of course it's super windy today, and it's supposed to start snowing again. So probably won't be able to go drive it or do anything now, but at least we know it runs and drives. It's not leaking any oil, and I just got to do some button-up stuff on it, and she's ready to be moved to the shop. So, but anyways, as usual, I probably won't have too many more videos out here for a little bit, but I'm gonna try maybe next week and do a quick video on the new shop if I've got time and whatnot. We are gonna do some construction and add a few things to that shop, and there's gonna be some of that gonna get started here soon. So it's probably gonna be a mess over there for a little while, but I want to make it really nice for the wife and I to live there and everything. So we want to make sure it's really comfortable, which it is already, but it's got old carpets and some stuff, and we're thinking about putting wood floors and some other things into it. So all right, well anyways, as usual, I really appreciate you guys watching, and if you're watching this and you're a straight up AMC purist, sorry for putting an LS in it, but you know, get over it and quit leaving me bad comments and stuff and writing me on my page. It doesn't matter. It has nothing to do with you. It just has everything to do with me and what I want to do. So, all right, we'll see you guys in the next video.